You're watching KTN Prime, and thanks for staying with us. Let's move away from education matters a bit, shall we, and take a look at what's happening in the political world. We start with an overview of the 2016 political agenda here in the country. What are some of the big stories that are expected to be coming out of the political circles? First, we'll begin in the first quarter of 2016, that is in March, when all the Jubilee coalition political parties, the affiliate political parties, are set to dissolve and join or form one party, that is the Jubilee Party. It has been talked about, and they are set to field a candidate in the March 7th by-elections. That is set to be an acid test for them. There has been a lot of talk of that party being able to set the agenda or transform the political scene here in the country. We shall wait to see how that turns out. And that brings us to March 7th, 2016. That is when there is set to be the Kericho senatorial by-election. That is after the former Senator Charles Keter was appointed to the cabinet by President Uhuru Kenyatta, and of course Malindi parliamentary by-election following Dan Kazungu's appointment to the cabinet. That is when the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, is set to hold those two mini polls. That is March 7th, 2016. As I told you earlier, Kericho is big for the Jubilee Party, the yet to be formed Jubilee Party. It's said to be an acid test for that particular party. We have seen the governor of Bomet, Isaac Ruto, and the deputy president William Ruto's political rivalry moving a notch higher, with Isaac Ruto continuing to popularize his Mashinani Development Party of Kenya, MDPK. He is saying that he will be fielding a candidate in the Kericho senatorial by-election. Now, after that, of course, it is less than 20 months to the 2017 general election. There is political analysts are expecting political realignments ahead of that March anticipated 2017 general election. There has been talk of the CORD coalition. Will it follow suit and fold and form one political party? There is talk of Musalia Mudavadi's Amani National Coalition, that is ANC. What will be happening? Another thing that is said to make headlines this year is the Kenyan case at the International Criminal Court, where the Jubilee Coalition has vowed to make it its top agenda in this year 2016 to make sure that case against Deputy President William Ruto and radio journalist Joshua Arap Sang is thrown out. We shall be taking a look at these main stories and more 20 months into to go to the 2017 general election.